Hey y'all, this is Taylor with Rosary Lure Company. Today I'm going to show you how to use the Boggs Professional Tacklemaker. This is a wire former. There's many different types of wire formers out there. This is just the one that I chose. It cost me 80 bucks and I ordered it online. I ordered it from the Muskie shop. So I went back and forth between the Boggs, the Twist Tech, and there was a couple other ones that I looked at as well. I decided to go with the Boggs just because I wanted to get a good feel for it, and it did take a couple days, but I'm super happy with it overall. So there's a learning curve for sure. Wasted probably 30 wire ends just messing with it, but I feel pretty good about it right now. The biggest issue with that is there's not really very many videos out there that show you how to use it. So when you go onto tacklemaker.com, the videos, there's instrumentals in the background, and the guy that's using it, he knows his stuff, but there's no talking in the video, and he just flies right through it like it's nothing. So it's super difficult to follow along. So I decided that I would make a video to actually show you how to use this particular wire former that's affordable and it works really well. I'm using this to make a large order for Mystery Tackle Box. We will be in all of their January 2026 Panfish and Trout subscription boxes. So make sure you are getting subscribed to Mystery Tackle Box and you'll have a chance to get one of our inline spinners in there. We have two different types of spinners we're doing for the box. We're starting out with this one. We have probably 500 more to do. This is about 500 maggot spins here. So I get all my spinners ready. We had all these that I have in this tub. I had all of these ready and made up. So then all I have to do is I'm going to tie my wires all at once. So what you're going to do first is you have to make your eyelet. So you're going to do this over here. I guess this is what they call the kingpin. So you're going to lay your wire down flat in between your two pins here. And this handle on the bottom, you're going to rotate clockwise. And what I found the easiest to do is I put my thumb right here on the very corner of the Tacklemaker, turn it around, and I hold it there, and then with that wire I let it bend, because you're going to want a good bend on this wire before you turn it around. Now you're going to flip it over and you're going to lay it flat, and you got to put a little bit of pressure, but you're going to come around and you're going to make another little bend on the opposite side of that bend you just made until you get something that looks like that. Now what you're going to do is you're going to lay your spinner on this flat bed here. You got two sides. You got the flat side, and then you have a notch on this side where the end of your wire is going to go on that other side. So you're going to put your eyelet on this pin, lay your spinner down. With your other hand, with your right hand, you're going to take and hold the top of that eyelet, and you're going to spin towards you. Now you got that tail and that notch. So what I'm doing with these, because I know exactly how I want them, I actually trim the tail of that wire off about an inch above, inch and a half, but it's all what you prefer. This gives me about 3 to 4 turns on my eyelet, and that's what I prefer. You can trim the eyelet or that wire end afterwards, but I found this to work pretty good. So again, you're going to hold that wire with your thumb, and then you're going to twist towards you. And this is the trickiest part, because you got to learn what pressure you need to apply with your left hand So as you twist it, you're going to give a little bit less pressure. Let's go through everything again. So lay your spinner down flat. With your left hand, hold the corner of the Tacklemaker. And now you're going to twist your handle clockwise till you get that form that looks like an R. Then you're going to flip it over, and we're going to put a bend on the other side of the wire. You lay it on here, you apply a little bit of pressure, and then that's the shape that you want. So now we're going to lay the spinner down on this bed, put the eyelet on this pin, and you're going to get that end. Actually, I'm going to flip it the other way. You're going to put the loose end in that notch. I'm going to trim my wire. Again, inch and a half. And then you're going to twist your handle towards you. And you're actually applying pressure towards the spinner as you get this first loop. And then you'll see the wire starting to straighten out. So then you can start to relieve a little bit of the pressure. And now the wire is wrapping around the wire shaft, but I'm loosening up pressure each turn so the wire doesn't go over top of itself. And you get a nice tight eyelet there. I'm going to do one full speed here. This slide right here moves back and forth, so you can have you can make all kinds of different forms with this Tacklemaker. I actually had to slide it towards this pin a little bit to give me a tighter eyelet. Alright, so that's how you use the Boggs Professional Tacklemaker. I really hope this video is beneficial to somebody. This thing is really great to use. I'm really glad that I bought it. One day maybe I'll invest in one of the really top of the line wire formers, but this $80 one works just fine. I've twisted probably 500 spinners already with this thing, and it saves your hands a lot of work. So be sure to check us out on rosewoodlurco.com. Check us out on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, TikTok. We're on all the socials. So give us a like, follow, share it. We appreciate y'all.